What's going on YouTube? GSNow right here. In today's video we have an important update for the SparseBox tool, which allows you to customize your iOS device and of course have some iOS jailbreak-like tweaks enabled without a jailbreak. This brand new update should fix a lot of issues, especially startup issues, so we're going to get into that in a second. This video is brought to you by Reboot, a software that allows you to easily fix your iOS device if it's stuck in recovery mode, DFU mode, failed update, Apple logo, and so on. Definitely check it out in the link below. So the SparseBox, which allows you to do all those tweaks directly on the device, is essentially like Nugget or Misaka X. It's based on the Sparse Restore bug, and you can modify your device to have some features that are normally disabled or that are not supported on your device by default with this application. Well, a new silent update was pushed last week, and this one is for fixing startup crashes. So if you had issues with the SparseBox crashing, it's very important to go ahead and get this update. While there is a nightly link available over here, if you want to compile it yourself and make sure you get the latest changes, you can go here to the Actions tab and go here to the this should fix some startup crashes. This one is the latest workflow. We go on it, we can go to Artifact over here, and if you click on it on computer, you can get the actual version. So it's artifact.zip. We save that one over here, and then we can extract it and sideload it to the device. Okay, so after sideloading it, we do have it in here. It's the latest version of Sparse Restore containing all the tweaks that I mentioned. So this one also works with the mobile gestalt file. So once you import that, it allows you to change various keys in the file to allow various features that are not normally available for your device. For example, the action button, allow installation of iPadOS apps even on iOS, always on display, Apple Intelligence, Apple Pencil, boot chime, charge limit, camera button. You can disable region restrictions and many other things that can be done here. You can even transform iOS into iPadOS, change the device model over here, and of course you can go ahead and bypass the 3-app limit. This doesn't work on all iOS versions, but it works on certain iOS versions, and that's definitely great. So this is the latest version. You can see it works fine on my device, and this is a major update. Even though it's a silent update and wasn't really announced, it fixes startup crashes, which is a problem for many people on SparseBox. So go ahead, check it out. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.